Okay, in order to silver solder these pieces, you need for preparation, some flux, so fluoroborate, which you apply to the various parts, which has to be soldered together. And I use a small brush to do it. And also this part. All these pieces had been sanded before to have a 100% contact to the metal without any oxide. Otherwise you have problems to silver solder these pieces together. So now they are prepared, and of course now you need the right orientation. I fix them in a way that they have the right angle. Okay. So for silver soldering I use this advice here, that is a burner which is based just on hydrogen and oxygen. It doesn't need any gas. It performs electrolytic dissolvement of water to hydrogen and oxygen, and they are combined in here, in the tip here, and you reach with this technology a temperature of even 3000 sometimes, which is of course not necessary for silver, but I use this for the melting and soldering. It is very hot, so you don't need a lot of time to get these things to highest temperature. And if the metal changes to cherry red, then I start to solder. I pre-warm the parts. Now we put it in. I place it now in citric acid, sodium chloride, which forms almost hydrogen chloride to get rid of the oxygen which is formed. You leave it in, then we clean it after a few minutes, and finally we'll check if it's really perfectly soldered, and then we clean it. So the piping is finished. You have all parts are silver soldered. They're tested. There's also no leak. You have the screw at the end, which you can then screw in and close it, and for purification purposes you can open it. These are the joints, and this is the nut which goes to the mechanical lubricator. So product finished, and now the next step is then drilling holes in a certain pattern which is required into the big tube here, but this will come in a separated video.